If you've grown up in a Caribbean household, then this creamy oatmeal porridge is probably going to bring back some memories. Start by adding rolled oats, cinnamon, clove, and water to a saucepan. And there are different types of oats such as steel cut and instant, but I recommend the rolled oats for this recipe. Now give this a good stir and then bring everything to a gentle boil over medium heat. Now let this simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. As it cooks, the oats will begin to soften and the spices are going to release so much flavor, and it's just going to infuse everything. Now once the oats are nice and tender and everything begins to thicken, you're going to want to pour in the evaporated milk. You can use whole milk as a substitute for the evaporated milk, but if you prefer a non-dairy option, you can also use coconut milk. And of course we have to sweeten it. So I am just going to stir in a little bit or a whole lot of sweetened condensed milk. You can also use brown sugar instead of condensed milk. I'm going to stir that in, and then I am going to add a splash of vanilla extract and freshly grated nutmeg. And I can tell you right now that this oatmeal is not going to lack flavor. Now give this all a good stir and then allow it to continue to cook. You want it to basically simmer until it thickens. And I think the difference between oatmeal porridge and regular oatmeal is that it does need to be runny, so do not cook it until it's too thick. Remember, this mixture also thickens as it cools. And that's pretty much it. This oatmeal porridge is a warm and comforting and the perfect way to start your morning. If you've enjoyed this recipe, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check the description box for the link to the recipe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.